Andito kami at yung karamihan ng mga senador nagsiakyatan para bisitahin si Bato kung okay pa rin siya. Dahil kami nagtataka at nagdatingan yung mga opisyal na kada isa, kanina, hindi sumasagot sa amin, deny to death sila. Sabi nila lahat na talagang wala silang kinalaman. Nag-umpisa sa ating PNP, dumating si John Vic Remulla, wala rin siyang kinalaman. Ganon din ang NBI, Dedma rin. Lahat sila walang alam pero putukan, tuloy-tuloy. Ganon din, kinausap pa si Presidente Bongbong, si BBM. Sabi din, hindi naman daw niya utos yun, ba't daw nagkaganon? Andito pa kami, kanina pa kami narito, pero talagang walang umaamin, walang may alam, lahat sila gulatan. Hindi ko maintindihan. Nako, nagkakaputukan na dito sa inyong Senado, amoy usok na sa lahat ng sulok, hindi namin mahanap ang aming mga kapwa senador at hindi kami makapaglabasan. Ay, eto, ang sabi nila, talagang denied to death. Pero, ang sabi ng NBI agents, inutusan daw sila personally and directly ni BBM, arrest Bato at all costs, kahit sino pa ang mamatay, kahit sino pa ang madali, basta pasukuin si Bato. Ngayon din. Kaya't di na namin maintindihan ano ba totoo. Mukhang wala namang nag-utos nito. Bakit nagkaroon ng Senate siege?
This happened. How many shots were fired? I think it's briefing.
Dami. Fireworks.
We thought it was fireworks.
But I don't smell corn type.
Kanina, it was very strong.
Okay, let me get to the bottom of it. Everybody's here. Okay,
Half are in the other room.
okay, let me get to them first. The president wants to speak. Can you call
So, I will, one thing lang. So, Vince called, saying the same thing. And I said, Vince, I believe you. You're my friend, I believe you. But he was saying it might be an inside whatever job. I won't think, sabi ko lang, Vince, independent investigation, yes. But I just wanted to know, when we were meeting 2 hours ago, there were some staff pulling out, and a staff here, umiikot kasi. They told our other staff and other senators, pull out, may mangyayari. And even our deputy secretary, will tell you who she is, she got the same text. And she told yung kausap niya, na I can't believe we're waiting for the articles of impeachment. So I mean, if it was an inside job from our side, from the 13, we wouldn't have been receiving. Just to make it.
No.
Yeah, we'll
We'll
yeah.
get the bottom.
I don't have
What
what
you have to know is that there is another entrance in this building.
Yes. And we were drilling holes from there.
Yes. So,
And I told Vince, I told Vince, if it was from us, si Mao reported to me, they're inspecting even senators from administrator na yes, they're inisa-isa na lang. So this all happened, it's not because Mao called the administrator, I'll calmly talk to him and ask why is it, then it all happened. Okay.